These are some yummy treats, guys. Oh, these look yummy. What do we have here? I can see cashew nuts. Oh, garlic and herb. Garlic and herb cashew nuts. And brownies. Oh. Black pepper and salt cashew. Oh, these are some yummy treats. You can see that they are very sweet. The bees are on them. Lots of bee. Because of how sweet they are. These are all fruits. Olives, different type of olives. 30 pounds per kilo. This is different type of olives, guys. Guys, I'm in London today. I'm in London today, guys. You can see over there, this is London. Oh, this is blue cheese. All different type of cheese. Mature goat, blue cheese.
Thanks so much, mate. Thank you.
What is this? Pan chocolate sausage roll. Oh, honey and mustard sausage roll. Classic pork pie sausage roll. Different types of sausage rolls. Today's flavors. No lard, no alcohol, gluten-free available. Fresh fruit, cannoli. Oh, these are fresh filled cannoli. Different flavors.
Come on, mate.
Things here. Mini apple strudel.
Everyone that goes,
Apricot jam, strawberry, Fragile. It's all different types of goodies here today. This is near the station, one of London's busiest train station. So it's close by. Yeah, this is London King's Cross Station and St Pancras Station. It's just across the road over there. The London King's Cross, the St Pancras Underground Station. There. This is the train station now, guys. I'm gonna get on one of those trains. You can see trains there, trains. So I'm getting on one of these trains. I'm not sure which one. This is one of London's busiest train stations. this is what the train station look like, guys. And this is an everyday thing. Always busy. Always busy every day. People going everywhere, people waiting on their train. And up there you can see the times of the different trains and the time. So you see there, so people here just looking on the board, looking what time the train coming. And over there up the top there they have like a food court with different sort of food. So yes guys, I'm in King's Cross Station, or I should say King's Cross and St. Pancras Station. And people just sit here waiting on the train. Some police officers over there. Yes, guys. So this is what it looked like. King's Cross Station. I'm always fascinated by this design of the roof. Look at the roof. This is all the roof of the train station. I'm always fascinated by it. Some people here having something to eat, and that's the board over there for the train times. And thank you for watching this video, and I catch you on another one. Thank you guys. Bye for now.